Dollar signs, flip the coin, get dollar signs. Look, I'm getting dollar signs. Flip the coin, get dollar
Forex,
signs.
there's three markets. So there's a bullish market, there's a bearish market, and there's a ranging market. So in a bullish market, it's whereby the trend is uptrending. In a bearish market, it's where the trend is downtrending. So I'll be showing you the examples of a bullish uptrending market and also of a ranging market whereby the market doesn't have direction, and also the bearish where the market is dropping down. So in a bullish market, there are bullish properties. What are the properties? Let me just show you the properties. In a bullish trend, you will see that the candlestick, previously I showed you on the episode 1, I showed you that the candlestick analysis, you in a uptrend, you find that the bullish candlesticks are more powerful than bearish candlesticks. So in an uptrend, there's a higher high and a higher low. There's whereby the market came and created this high and went back to create this low, and went up again to break this high, came back to rest on that previous high point, whereby we're going to call this what our support area. The market is coming again to test this area. It was a resistance, it turned into into support because of what it was. Firstly, it was respected as a resistance, now it's respected as a support. So this is where we buy, and also this is where we buy. And also you can also use a trend line like this if the market it's not very clear enough for you. So overall, we want to only focus on buying opportunities in a bullish market or an uptrending market, right? So it's whereby the market is breaking highs and creating higher lows, breaking highs, creating higher lows on our in most cases on our previous higher highs level. So let me just show you an example of an uptrend in the live market over here. Here's an uptrend over here. Here's our higher low. That's my pen. This is our higher low. This is our higher high. Higher low, higher high. Higher low, higher high. Higher low, higher high over there. Okay, can see overall, this is where we buy. This is where we don't even think of a sell because we're in an uptrend. So in an uptrend, you focus on the trend that is going up. You're focusing on buying opportunities. Alright, you can also draw your trend line like this, so you can see overall it's trending up, focusing on the two previous higher lows. This was once our higher low, and this is the previous higher low, right? Then we wait for the market to come and give us another higher low, where on the previous higher point, now tending to higher low point, tending to support. So that's our higher high. I mean, that's our higher high, or our uptrend, or our bullish market. So let's go to the downtrend. So on the bullish trend, what do we have? I mean, on the bearish trend, bearish downtrending, we have lower lows and lower highs. We have the lower highs breaking the lows. We have the lower highs breaking the lower lows, right? It's the opposite of a uptrend, of a bullish trend. So we have the high breaking this lower low. we have this lower high breaking this lower low, we have this lower high breaking this lower low. So the market will create a low, then go back up to test this lower low and give you an entry over here, whereby you can capitalize and catch all this move, right? So in most cases it will respect this zones over here, it will respect also this zone, right? So let me show you a perfect example on the market of a downtrend. So overall you can see that the market has been trending down over here. This is our, let me search for Atlanta. Let me remove everything over here. So this is our lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, you can see overall the market is trending down. Even now we still in a what, in a downtrend. So overall you can see that the market tested this, the previous lower low point, and it found support, it found resistance. So on the lower low we find resistance, we don't find support. So on an uptrend, on an uptrend like this, we find what, we find support over here. So on a downtrend we find what, we find resistance. So yeah guys, so at the moment we're selling off this level to surpass this level over here, or to achieve this level over here. So you would have placed your entry here, you would have placed your entryway here, targeting this pips over here. Then you would have placed your SL to something like this. So overall this is our trade for now, right? So let's go to, there's a ranging market. There's a ranging market whereby the market doesn't have a direction of, it's either buying or selling. So it's whereby the market doesn't have a real direction where it wants to go, right? So in a ranging market, it's where the market is moving in a parallel between two parallel lines. It's whereby it's failing to break these two parallel lines, it's moving in between, whereby you can capitalize by buying low or selling high, buying between the lows and the highs, right? So you can buy when it comes to the lower part of the parallel line or the higher part. You can also sell when it comes back to the higher side of the parallel lines. So overall you can sell here, you can sell here, you can buy here, you can sell here, you can buy here. Then you can also, to be on the safe side as a new trader, you can wait for the market to break out and to come and retest and head up, or you can wait for it to break down and can come back to retest the structure, then place your entry over here, then sell. So let me just show you a ranging market. Let me look for a nice ranging market. Okay, let me change the time frame. Yeah, let me remove everything. This pair doesn't like consolidating, doesn't like ranging, so there's fewer ranges over here. So here's one of our ranging market over here. You can see that the market was failing. Let me just use this one. Was failing to break above and below these points over here. This points over here. Then it faked out, decided to grab liquidity over here. Let's go to the 2 hour. Okay, the 2 hour is too far on the 2 hour. Okay, but in overall, it's whereby the market doesn't have direction, a real direction of where it wants to go. Let me just find it on the 2 hour. Okay, here's something like a ranging market. Okay, you can see that the market was stuck inside these two parallel lines for a period of from 1 June until 14 June. For about 15 days it was stuck inside this between these two lines. So this is a ranging market. So what do? You wait for the market to break outside and to come and retest, then give you an entry. You enter over here by buying. We buy here, we go up with it, or it's either we sell if ever it broke outside like this. We would have sold on this point over here, then went down with it. So that's our ranging market, right? So yeah guys, let's meet on the next episode.
I'm getting dollar signs. Flip the coin, get dollar signs. Look, I'm getting dollar signs. Flip the coin, get dollar signs.